I am making tea. Now I am reading a book. It's time to go for a walk. I'm feeling happy today. I think this is a good idea. I'm worried about tomorrow's meeting. What should I cook for dinner? Maybe I'll cook pasta. What do I need to buy from the grocery store? Today, I will finish my project. This weekend, I plan to visit my friend. Next week, I need to start a new book. One day, I want to travel the world. I will learn how to cook new dishes. I aim to improve my English by the end of this year. I woke up early today. I went to the market in the afternoon. In the evening, I watched a movie. First, boil the water. Next, add the pasta and let it cook for 10 minutes. Then, drain the water and serve. This chair is made of wood. It is brown and has a comfortable cushion. I use it while working at my desk. Once upon a time, there was a little boy who loved adventures. One day, he decided to explore the forest near his home. He found a secret path that led to a beautiful lake. Next week, I will visit my friend. We will go to the museum together. After that, we'll have lunch at a cafe.